If you're ready for the ultimate blend of convenience and style, buckle up, we're about to embark on a journey through the heart of Brooklyn. Introducing Cornelius Brooklyn Home. Unpack and unwind in the move-in-ready private and common rooms fully furnished with a comfortable bed, spacious closet, and nightstand. Non-ensuite options share a bathroom, while en-suites offer the luxury of a private bathroom. But there's more. The boutique-style townhouse also offers an open kitchen boasting modern appliances for the ultimate co-living experience. And yes, your rent covers water, electricity, cleaning, and Wi-Fi. Located at the crossroads of Bushwick and Bed-Stuy, Cornelius Brooklyn Home is surrounded by academic excellence, with Brooklyn Law School and Kimmy Hunter College just around the corner. Dive into the local scene with House Party Cafe and Lounge, or savor culinary delights at La Fatima and BK Pizza. If you're artistic, you'll find plenty of people to partner up with for your creative outlets. With easy access to NYC's bustling bus and subway lines, the city is your playground. Ready for the Brooklyn adventure? Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your spot at Cornelius Brooklyn Home Student Accommodation today.